Good night, distinguished chairs, fellow presenter, and respected participants. It is an honor to present our research at the International Conference on Digital Technology-Driven Engineering 2025 or ICTDE, particularly within the first International Conference on Digital Tools in Construction for Efficiency and Sustainability or DigiJES 2025. My name is Agung Purnomo, a faculty member from the Entrepreneurship Department in Nusantara University, and I will present on behalf of my co-author. The title of our study is Systematic Review of Artificial Intelligence Rules for Product Design and Development from Accelerating Innovation to Amplifying Sustainability. This work is co-authored by Ahmad Samil, Muryani Karmagati from Entrepreneurship Department, Nusantara University, Indonesia, Feroz Iqbal Maulana from Computer Science Department, Nusantara University, Indonesia, Bekti Setyawibowo from Communication Science Department, Nusantara University, Indonesia, and Halbana Tarmizi from Business Administration Department at Bemidji State University, United States. Today, I will walk you through the motivation, methodology, key finding, and implication of our systematic review on the evolving roles of AI technology in product design and development. Artificial intelligence has rapidly emerged as a transformative force in product design and development. It introduced new paradigms of creativity, automation, and innovation, fundamentally reshaping how products are conceived, evaluated, and delivered. The integration of AI into design process enhance decision-making quality, shorten development cycles, and increasingly support sustainable design practice through data-driven insight. The urgency to explore this topic arises from three convergent pressures. First, the growing complexity of global market. Second, the demand for intelligent, customized, and sustainable product. And third, the expectation for organizations to deliver high-quality outcomes within shorter innovation cycle. AI technology respond to this pressure by enabling predictive modeling, generative design, and advanced analytic, positioning AI not merely as technical tool but as strategic actor in contemporary product development. Existing studies on AI in product design and development employ diverse methodically approach. These include survey-based quantitative studies assessing organizational readiness, mixed method design exploring decision-making, conceptual and industrial observation studies, and AI-assist experimental case. While these studies provide valuable insight, they remain fragmented across technical, organizational, and sociocultural perspectives. As a result, a clear research gap persists. There is a lack of systematic evaluation of the rules of AI play across the full spectrum of product design and development activities. To address this gap, we employ a systematic literature review which provides a rigorous and transparent method to map research evaluation, synthesis, disperse finding, and identify conceptual pattern. Therefore, the purpose of this study is to examine the current global development of literature on the rules of AI technology in product design and development. This study adopt a systematic literature review or SLR as its primary research method. What we did was systematically investigate peer review research on AI technology in product design and development. How we conduct the study involved implementing the Prisma 2020 protocol, which guide our identification, screening, eligibility, and inclusion process. We collected data exclusively from the SCOPE database, resulting in 39 peer-review open access journal article published between 2021 and 2025. Our set research strategy applied combination of keywords such as AI, product design, and product development along with relevant synonym. This method was chosen in threefold. First, SLR ensure methodically rigor and transparency. Second, Scopus provide high quality multidisciplinary coverage. And third, this approach allow us to synthesize fragment research into coherent conceptual structure. This slide presents the Prisma protocol and the inclusion exclusion criteria used in our review. Articles were included if they focus explicitly on AI production and product development, were published in peer-reviewed journals, fell within the 2021 to 2025 timeframe, were open access, and were written in English. Conversely, studies were excluded if they were not peer-reviewed, outside the time range, inaccessible, or not aligned with our research focus. Each criterion was applied to ensure conceptual relevance, academic quality, and comparability across studies. This systematic filtering process ensures that the final database provides a solid foundation for grounded theory analysis. This study addressed two research questions. Research question one asks, what are the rules of AI technology adoption for production and development research? Research question two asks, what future research direction are they suggested for studying these rules? Research question one was analyzed descriptively and further processed using the Jayawia grounded theory method, which enables the identification of first-order concept, second-order terms, and aggregate dimension. Research question two was addressed by synthesized insight from research question one, allowing us to formulate a multi-level future research agenda. The GIA visualization presented later well developed to clearly communicate this conceptual relationship. Our analysis identified four aggregate dimensions that define the rules of AI in production and development. The first rule is accelerated product design and development. This dimension includes second-order terms such as AI accelerated pipelines, optimization and virtual prototyping, generative ideation and structure process integration, AI accelerated workflow, enhance simulation-based testing, and supports early-stage concept exploration. The second role is augmented predictive intelligence and decision support. This role encompasses data-driven analytics and diagnostics intelligence, enabling designers to interpret complex datasets, anticipate performance outcome, and improve decision accuracy in uncertain environment. The third role is amplified personalization and user experience. Here, AI supports personalized solution and cultural creative enhancements, allowing product to better align with individual preference, emotional engagement, and cultural context. The fourth role is align sustainability and strategic innovation. This dimension integrates sustainable innovation practice and strategic ecosystem action where AI inform environmentally responsible design decision and support long-term strategic position. Together, this rule, these four rules illustrate how AI move beyond efficiency toward strategic and sustainable value creation. Based on this finding, we propose a multi-level future research agenda. At the micro level, future studies can explore how individual designers interact with AI in daily decision making, interpret model output, and manage uncertainty. At the meso level, research can examine team dynamics, workflow adaptation, and cross-functional collaboration as AI becomes embedded in product pipelines. At the macro level, scholars can investigate how regulation, market force, ethical norm, and policy framework shape AI adoption across industry and economies. This multi-scalar perspective connect individual practice, organizational change, and systematic transformation. In conclusion, this study aimed to examine global research progress on the rules of AI technology in product design and development. Our finding demonstrate that AI consistently support design attractive through acceleration, predictive intelligence, personalization, and sustainability-oriented innovation. These patterns indicate a maturing research landscape where AI increasingly reshape design practice toward greater precision, speed, and relevance. This review offers important implications for theory, practice, and policy. Theoretically, it clarifies AI evolving rules in production and development. Practically, it informs digital business and entrepreneurship, highlighting where organizations should invest in AI-driven competency. From a policy perspective, it supports the development of ethical and responsible AI governance structures. The main limitation of this study lies in the exclusive use of scope database, which may exclude relevant studies indexed elsewhere. Thank you very much for your attention. We appreciate the opportunity to share our work with the ICT, TDE, and DigiJazz community. We welcome your question and constructive feedback.